देवाबाग काणकोणा एके फॉरेनर बायलेच्या खुनाचे केशीत काणकोण पुलिसांनी थंयचो हिस्ट्री शीटर विकट भक्ताक 24 वरां भितर धरलो. डॅनिले लाफ्लिन हे आयरिश बायलेचो विकटान खून केला. पयलीं तिचेर बलात्कार केलो. तिणें तोंड उगडचें न्ही म्हूण ताणें तिका मारली. डॅनियलाची बॉडी काणकोण पुलिसांक मंगळारा मेळिल्ली. बॉडी पोस्टमार्टमाक धाडल्या. अजून रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो ना.
Yesterday in this case, some nail injuries were found on his face and other parts of the body. We have recovered clothes which he was wearing at the time of offence, and it has some blood stains. 7 days police custody is obtained, and we are conducting further investigation. We have requested the Dean of GMC to form a panel of doctors to conduct post-mortem examination and to preserve necessary samples for DNA testing and other purposes. So investigation is in progress. Presently, we are trying to find out if some other person is involved in this case. Involvement of some others also cannot be ruled out at this stage, but we are verifying it. Really last year after काणकोणा रावताले आनीक एका विकट भगतान पडटले. See, after we received information regarding the dead body, we immediately started investigation, and from our investigation we got certain clues, and in those clues we came to know that this Vikat Bhagat was seen with that lady on the previous evening. Vikat म्हणा तो तेजी क्रिमिनल केसीस जायते आसा, तो हिस्ट्री शीटर आहे पोलीस स्टेशन. Action as per law घेतला, including this action and proceeding. Collector are available. So whatever is possible as per law, we have acted upon it. बघत वाड्यार एक प्रॉपर्टी मेळ्ळें तिचे एक बॅगान आसलें उडयल्लें बॅगान आनी कितें मेळ्ळें पीस ऑफ बियर बॉटल.
गार्बेज प्लांटाचो प्रस्न, सांतिनेज क्रीक, पे पार्किंग आनी हेर कांय स्वप्नां घेवन सुरेन फुरतात पणजे महापालिकेचो परत महापौर जालो. बुधवारा महापौर आनी उपमहापौर पदा खातीर महापालिका मंडळाची वेंचणूक जाली. लता पारेख बिनविरोध उपमहापौर जाल्या. विरोधी गटाच्या रुपेश हळर्णकाराक 13 जाल्यार फुर्तादाक 17 मतां पडलीं. पर्रीकारा बरोबर आपले वॉर ऑफ लव ताजे सरकार आपल्याक आदार करतले म्हूण ताका आशा.
Surendra Furtado got 17 votes and Rupesh Alankar got 13 votes. So the Surendra Furtado elected for this year as an mayor of this corporation. For the deputy mayor, there was only one nomination from Lata Parekh, so she was declared as a deputy mayor unopposed.
First of all, I have to thank my media friends who have always backed me for the good work I have done. Because of the media that we are standing here today. Our priorities, lifting the garbage. Most important is desealing of all the stormwater drains. To ask the government to give us a new garbage treatment plant. To ask the government to see that Santinez Creek becomes a dream. We can do this only with the support of the government.
Yours and the new CM's tussle has been known, and you have always criticized him for not issuing funds to CCP. So now how you look at that when BJP has once again managed to form the government in the state?
Who has said that I and the CM have tussles? That is a war of love. We are very good friends. Have you any time seen Mr. Manohar Parrikar saying anything to me through the media, even though if I have said that is hate and love words? I am confident that this time he will help the corporate city of Panji. I am confident he will not listen to any of his chamchas, and he and we will work together for the betterment of Panjim. Pay parking, I want to do it in a better way. Last time it was too much in a hurry, I took over and I wanted to show something we can do. To get around 15 crores from the government of past so many years for salary grants. We have not got house tax and garbage tax from any of the government offices nor government quarters. If government can give us this, I am satisfied. Because all my revenue, what I get every year, goes for salaries. And if government is not giving the salary grant for last 5 years, which is amounting to 15 crores, and if we get another 15 crores from the pension market, we are trying to see how best we can help the tenants. They have told me that illegal tenants will also be legalized. So I have told them, we will take a resolution in the corporation meeting that legal and blood relation will sign the contract with CCB. Illegal people who are there for so many years, to legalize, we will send our resolution to the government.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.